Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to make your own portable battery. And this is a really simple method that if you have the right materials, really anybody can do it. So if you have a phone, like let's just say a previous generation iPhone for example, the battery life probably isn't all that great. So a solution to that would be getting a power bank to charge it whenever it gets discharged, or really you should just charge it in general. But it's nice having a portable battery. And there are lots of good solutions, but I'm going to be showing you how to make your own. So the things you're going to need are at least one 18650 cell. This one is 2200 milliamp hours in capacity, which won't fully recharge your phone, but this is all I had because I tried to salvage some from a laptop battery, which is pretty easy to do, and I'll tell you how to do in a minute, but these are all dead basically, they're all flat. But if you have a old laptop battery you don't use anymore, you can like open it up, and I'll display a video on how to do that. But all you have to do is open it up, and I wore some gloves for this as the nickel that's disconnecting the batteries to the charging board. It's really sharp, so you can salvage these from a laptop battery, and then you can get a multimeter which will show you the amount of voltage it's giving off. So. And this is basically like a really good condition battery because it's over 4 volts. So this should be good. It actually came from a battery bank, but you'll need this and the actual like case with the board that charges the battery and discharges it. So this one I got from China and it was really cheap. It even comes with a little lanyard you can put right here. But yeah, it's really simple. It's just like putting your double A's or triple A's in the remote or any other device that requires having batteries. So all you have to do, grab the battery, make sure you put the positive and negative on the correct side, and usually the positive will be the negative will be like just flat. This one will have a little bit of be a little bit smaller in comparison. So here's just some random phone I had lying around, and I have a micro USB cable, and you would just plug it into the out, which is 5 volts. This isn't anything high quality. This was really cheap. It came from China. So I don't think it should explode if it's on the wrong connector, but let's see if it does anything. See, it's actually lighting up there, and hey, it's still working. So you can see it's charging the battery. I don't think it supports fast charging, but I could be wrong. I doubt that something of this cheap would work. And well, all we have to do after that is just put the cover back on, which is fairly simple. I don't know why they put lights on here, as you can't really see it. But there you go. Basically, that's a portable power bank. Like I said, depending on the capacity of the cells you get, the one I have is smaller than my phone battery, not by much, but it's not going to fully recharge a smartphone, but it should charge it a little bit. Like I said, you can get bigger capacity cells, and this does support up to 2 18650 cells, so maybe if you like had another 2200 milliamp hour cell, you can put 2, and that'd be roughly 4000 milliamp hours. So yeah, for most iPhones and it gets to be pretty vague, Samsung flagships, that should be like our full recharge, but I wouldn't really have a problem with some smartphones nowadays, but it's nice to have. So guys, it's as simple as that. All you need is at least one 18650 cell. I recommend at least like a 2000 milliamp hour capacity, or just your phone's battery capacity, as it'd be best so you can recharge your phone fully. But yeah, all you need is the case, the cell, and your appropriate cable. And this is rechargeable, of course, so all you need to do is just plug in the micro USB. This is powered by micro USB, so you need a cable for that. But you just plug this in and charge it via USB or power adapter, however. But yeah, and now it's gone off, of course. So yeah, this isn't anything high quality. It's just plastic. But overall, if you're looking for a cheap solution to have a portable power bank, this basically cost me nothing, as I had a 18650 cell lying around on hand, and this case only cost me like $2, maybe even less. I can't remember. Get a little lanyard if that's what you're into. But that's it. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please let me know in the comment section. I'll do my best to get back to you. If you did enjoy the video, hit that like button, but if not, you know where to go. While you're there, consider subscribing to the channel and enable notifications for more quality tech videos. Anyways, thanks for watching and I'll see you later.